To log in, depending on your ATR settings, you will be able to type in your login ID or scan your badge. Find the bin locations you need to adjust the stock quantity for. The number you enter will reflect the total amount of stock in the bin. In this example, the bin holds a total of 9 pairs of gloves, so you adjust the 7 to a 9. When all adjustments have been made, make sure to go back and double check all bin quantities. It is best practice that after logging out, tap the ATR lightning bolt icon to refresh.